Recently, I came across an article on money control about Government of Singapore's Indian equity portfolio. Although this article takes a look at only the top 5 performing stocks from the portfolio for the past 6 months, we shall take a look at the complete portfolio of Government of Singapore. Government of Singapore invests in India under the Foreign Institutional Investor umbrella. It is a high net worth investor with publicly held investments in over 33 stocks worth around 86,000 crore or around $11 billion. At the top of the best performers list from the past 6 months is Happiest Mind Technology. They are an AI and digital driven technology company which listed in the stock markets just last year. After the listing, they have gone on to give multi-bagger returns. From an IPO price of around 160 rupees to current price of 800, the stock has multiplied investors' wealth by almost 5 to 6 times. According to the article, the Government of Singapore held 2.57% stake in the company. The next best performing stock for the Government of Singapore is Anant Raj Limited. They are a real estate developer in the NCR region. The Government of Singapore held 4.2% stake in the company. Third on the list is Tata Motors DVR. Tata Motors, since the past year when Rakesh Jhunjhunwala decided to take up stake in this company, has gone on to give multi-bagger returns, multiplying their wealth by over 5 times from its all-time low the previous year. The next is MPS Limited. They again are a digital and technology focused company. The Government of Singapore held 2% stake in the company. The fifth and the last company on the list is Hindalco Industries. As you might be aware that commodities market has been on a tear. All commodity prices have risen significantly and all commodity companies like Tata Steel, JSW Steel and Hindalco have gone on to post good results. The Government of Singapore held 3% stake in the company. So these were the top 5 performers from the past 6 months. Now let's take a look at the complete portfolio of Government of Singapore. So you can find the complete portfolio of Government of Singapore on this website called trendline.com. I will share the link in description. So as you can see here, Government of Singapore has recently increased in stakes in the below companies: SBI Life Insurance, Kalyan Jewellers, Godrej Properties, AU Small Finance Bank, Hindalco Industries and Petronet LNG, while it has decided to decrease its holdings in Gayatri Projects, Kindan Infra, Z Entertainment, Gland Pharma, Ambuja Cement and HDFC Corp. If you scroll down, we can see the complete holding of Government of Singapore. At the top of the list is Reliance Industries, which is by far their largest holding at 16,000 crore. They held 1.2% stake in the company as of March 2021. Followed next is Bajaj Finance, worth around 14,000 crore, and they held a 4.3% stake in the company, which is down from 4.4% in the December quarter. After Bajaj Finance, we have HDFC. They have again decreased their stake from 3% to 2.6%. Next is ICICI Bank, worth around 9,000 crore. The holdings have remained constant. Then we have Infosys Limited, worth 8,800 crores, and their holding has decreased slightly from 1.6 to 1.5%. Next is Larsen & Toubro, worth 5,000 crore, Bharti Airtel, worth 3,700 crores, Hindalco Industries, worth 2,500 crores, SBI Life Insurance, worth 2,200 crore. So as you can see, this is a new purchase. They didn't have any holding in this company as of the December quarter. After SBI Life, we have Dr. Reddy's. They've increased their holding from 1.5 to 1.7%, worth around 1500 crores. Next is Gland Pharma, again a company which has given multi-bagger returns since its listing. They have reduced their stake from 2.7 to 2.2%. Then we have Ambuja Cements, we have Mahindra and Mahindra, we have Godrej Properties. So they have doubled their stake in Godrej Properties recently from 1.2 to 2.4%. We then have Petronet LNG. They have again increased their stake in Petronet LNG from 1.7 to 2.4%. We have Phoenix Mills, we have IRCTC, we have Prestige Estates, we have AU Small Finance Bank, we have AU Small Finance Bank, which is a new buy. Then we have Happiest Minds, we have Z Entertainment, we have Burger King, we have IRB Infrastructure, we have Kalyan Jewelers, which is again a new entry. Then we have Anant Raj, we have Ujjivan Financial Services, then we have Anant Raj Global, Gayatri Projects, MPS, Gemberg, Kridhan, Sun Pharma, ITC, Shriram. These are blank because the holdings are less than 5% and hence they are not needed to be disclosed to the public. We have Axis Bank, Coal India, HDFC Bank, Container Corp, UPL, Lupin, SBI, HUL, Tech Mahindra, Ujjivan Finance Limited, Bharat Forge, Maruti Suzuki, Gujarat Industries Power Company, DLF, Tata Motors, Meracactor, Godrej, Gayatri Highways, Aisha Motors, Grasim, Endurance Technologies, Care Ratings, IndusInd Bank, Ashok Leyland, IDFC Bank, and last one, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company. So this was the complete list of stocks in the Govt of Singapore's portfolio. The link for this site will be in the description. I hope this was an informative video for you. Stay tuned for much more. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.